Hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Professor. So today we are going to type the 21st program. So let's get started. First of all we have to open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about start attribute with ordered list. With start attribute. So we'll start it with HTML tag, head tag which gives the heading and title tag which gives title. Ordered list. Now we'll end the title tag and head tag. Now we'll start the body tag. Now ordered list start. This attribute is used to specify the start value for numbering the individual list item of the ordered list. So I will give here 4, but you can give any random number. Here also you can give any random name. Now we'll end the ordered list tag with a slash. We'll end the body tag and similarly HTML tag. Now we'll just save it with the extension HTML and in all files. Now let us check the output. So here the output comes. We have given the ordered list start with 4, so output will numbered as 4, 5, 6 and 7. After that we'll see. Here I have given 4 to will start. So this output